Hey guys, Bowman's Lawn Care here. Today we're going to be limbing this tree with the Steel MS 170. You can see that. So we're going to limb it, and then we're going to use the bar to measure 16 inches. This is a 16-inch bar, and I've measured how far it needs to be to make my cuts at 16 inches. Now what we're going to do is, I've measured this bar, and I know just on the other side of this bar nut is where 16 inches is at. So I'm going to use it to measure the length of my cuts. And then what I'll do is I'll take my bigger saw, which is the MS 290 Farm Boss, and I will finish the cut where I marked it with this saw, so I can get done quicker, it cuts faster. Okay, so now we got some of that brush out of the way. I'm going to show you guys where I marked it with that the smaller, lighter saw, so I know where to cut. So right here is all my marks, and they're just about exactly at 16 inches. And I've marked, you can see, quite a ways down. So now I'll take the bigger saw and go ahead and start cutting the logs. Alright guys, we got all that cut, and she got all the stuff in the driveway split. Now we're coming over here, the stuff that we just cut a minute ago, we're going to go ahead and start splitting. And always remember, when you're using a log splitter, keep your hands out of the way. If you have to look up, pick your hands up. Don't keep your hands where they're at. If you have to look somewhere, somebody's hollering at you or you heard something, whatever, move your hands, and I'll show you guys here in just a second what happens if you don't move your hands. She smashed her finger in the log splitter about a month ago, broke the end of it, and had to get 4 stitches, and I'll put it right here. Okay guys, if you like that video, like and subscribe. I thought I would add that in there so maybe some of you guys can prevent smashing your finger in a log splitter. And hopefully we'll have more videos like this coming up as I get better at editing videos. Hopefully they become better and maybe I don't feel like an idiot talking on the camera after a little while. Well, thanks anyway, and subscribe. Thank you.